Whoa.
Oh.
Look at that sunrise.
I don't know.
Yeah. I'm just hanging out.
Yeah.
See that? No?
Yeah. Woo! Can't believe
oh, they keep playing some good.
He know I take over.
No, he does the same with me.
Okay, 1 second.
This is a beautiful drive on it.
Yeah! Oh, perfect, perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Nailed it.
Backfired. I don't know. What does that do? They're doing that parachute that we have. Big fireworks.
Oh, shit. That thing is huge. Yeah! Yeah!
You got a Raiders bag. You a Raiders fan. You might have a lot.
America. Trent's laughing. That was awesome. What's up, dude?
Oh, please. Oh, I got my eye.
Yeah.
Everything go crazy.
You know where it is, right?
These aren't lighting. Yeah!
You finished it? What? Dude, it's not even open.
I know, I cracked it.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You look like 1,000 trillion bucks. Oh my.
She hits the fourth.
Dude, like
Dude, I love this thing. It's so bright.
wave your arms around
You're
like.
about to die.
Ah! What happened to you?
I tried to catch a piece. Got it.
Oh my goodness. What do you got here, bro?
16 shot cocktail party fireworks.
Whoa! What did you do? Trent, what did you do?
Make it stop.
Please. No, we're done. No. Not over here, we're done.
Please.
I'm not kidding. Trinity, I'm not kidding. We're done.
He called Missy a rat.
Stop it.
Got it?
What?
Says you got it?
I don't know, man. That's a lot of tape. I don't know. No way. Help me.
Can you make him give it to me?
Help me.
Yes.
God, what happened? What is happening?
What happened to you?
They stole my hat and they cut my wrist.
I got it! You're not gonna get it back to the end tonight.
Yeah, boy. Oh, wow.
Oh yeah.
Run!
Yeah, the same thing, right?
What was that one? I love that one. That was like my favorite mix.
No, I bought the X-Cals for a reason. Go give them to them.
Oh.
No, we got a whole kit of those.
Just hope it doesn't blow the tube.
Steph, you hermit.
There's different colors. And
Yeah. She keeps running when all the debris keeps
Mom was
falling
like
down.
cuddling and they set off one of those things and I tried running away, like out of the blanket. It's so scary.
Check it out. I should have brought it.
you like fireworks. Oh, one went out. Do that one as much as you can.
Damien.
She came to her mommy for protection.
No. Oh yeah.
I get out of the way of this.
Ah!
What the? Are you kidding me? It looks like a space movie or like an alien movie. They're coming to the hill. War of the Worlds.
Wow.
Well, like look how those luminous clouds look on the camera.
Sweet, a smoke bomb.
right there. Oh, don't blow up. It's about time I get like one of these.
He's gonna be out here with the blower tomorrow.
Wow!
His wife tuned it off, man.
Trent, let's go check out the fireworks with Ben.
What is that trick right there? Like out of town. Nobody else listening or nothing?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Debbie, come here. I need to show you something. Debbie, I need to show you something.
Yeah!
Fire the hole!
Yay! Oh my god!
Let's go! Boom, boom.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! Woo!
Don't do it! Run!
And she accepted! Yeah! Oh my
You guys
god!
about ready? Ready?
We're lighting them again.
Where to go? Here we go again.
Yeah!
Fucker went out.
That was good. I thought he was just gonna let her go. She almost got away.
She almost got away.
Yeah, they were taking off. Get in there, Steph. Get in there.
I didn't know this was gonna happen. What's going on?
Chris proposed her under the fireworks!
How awesome.
Oh, we got it. Hey, maybe got it on video.
Oh yeah.
Anyone get it on video?
Woo!
Oh yeah!
Hired him.
Nice! Got it! Oh, good job! Good job, son.
That's so great.
Well, congratulations, daughter-in-law and a baby on the way, huh?
Oh, I can't believe it. Thank you so
It
much.
happens, huh?
It does, I know. She's still crying. Oh.
Is that your first grandbaby?
It is my first.
Okay.
Natalie can stay here, but Lynn's gotta go.
Oh my God.
Alright, I have the music. I got a few finales and a few lighters and a few people. So
It's so beautiful. It's a little diamonds and the rose gold. It's beautiful. I seen it the other day.
I was like,
yeah, we're down to the last few, so.
Woo!
Perfect. Are we all ready? Oh,
This could be cool. Hell yeah.
holy shit. The line fell.
So good.
Nice.
Woo!
That's cool.
Woo!
Wow.
Cool.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes!
Yes. That's awesome.
Whoa! Ow!
Yeah, I don't want those to accidentally go off.
Whoa, dude, yeah.
Hey guys, heads up. Here's the lid off. There we go.
Where the hell is it?
Fine.
Holy shit, this is big.
That's three
Dude.
canisters. Fire! Heads up! Fire in the hole! This is bad. That is too cool.
Oh, man. Whoa! Oh, yeah! Whoa!
Stuff like this.
Man, how did your body do that? How did your body do that?
Remind me of one of those Christmas ornaments with the little where you put it
Yeah!
really way.
Exactly.
Looks like
Oh.
Whoa! What?
Nice.
I look.
Oh, cool. That is awesome.